Hello everybody, it's Eric here from Addictive Tips. In this video we will be talking about how to install Raven RSS from the app image sources, because the app image is the one that most people can use, and I'll be demonstrating how to do that. So to start off, you're going to need to open up my article, and the link to that is in the description. So once you've gotten it open, you can scroll down and find this link right here, and this is the link to the latest release. Paste it in your terminal, and you're going to want to download it. Now, downloading takes a few minutes, for me it's taken 15 seconds. It may take longer for you. So once the file is done downloading, we can go ahead and make the new directory for the app images, and then we can go down and we can move the app image into the folder. And after that, you just update the permissions. After that, we can start it for the first time, the Raven Reader, and it should be good to go. And if we look in here, we should be able to see it in there. So subscribing to a feed, you go up here and you click the add button, and then you find yourself a URL. So we can take this and subscribe. Click the subscribe button, and we've got the latest articles. And here's a post that I wrote earlier today. Anyways, guys, that's how you get Raven Reader working. I think it's a pretty sleek looking reader application. If I do say so myself, you can modify your subscriptions, you can import and export, save articles for offline reading. Really, really like it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.